Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to disable orange and green microphone indicator on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.2. Now, why the green or orange dot appears on your iPhone? The green dot appears on your iPhone when your iPhone uses the camera app, or when an app on your iPhone uses the camera of your iPhone. This is why the green dot appears at the top of your smartphone. Now, it shows a green dot at the top of your smartphone to inform you that an app is using the camera on your iPhone. Similarly, the orange dot appears on your iPhone when an app on your iPhone uses the microphone of your iPhone. Just like that. Now, sometimes the orange dot or the green dot appears at the top of your iPhone when you're on the home screen, or when you're not using an app that requires the microphone or the camera access. Now, how to fix this issue? First of all, check that there is no app in the recent apps section which is using the microphone or the camera. Now, once we have done that, and if this issue is still not solved, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now from here, scroll down and tap on camera. Now from here, just turn off the access to the camera for any suspicious app that have the access to the camera, so that the app won't be able to use the camera on your iPhone. Just like that. Now, similarly, go back and tap on microphone. Now from here, just turn off the access to the microphone for any suspicious app that have the access to the microphone, so that the app won't be able to use the microphone on your iPhone. Now, if this did not fix your problem, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you enable the power off option. Now from here, just slide from the left to the right to power off your iPhone. Now, just wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button to turn on your iPhone. Just like that. Now it will take a few seconds for your iPhone to complete rebooting and to fix the orange and green indicator on your iPhone. And this is how you can disable the orange and green microphone indicator on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.